the old style cell that they used to sell for many, many years in all the PLT 2600 pit scales, above ground scales, and it's a 30 ton rocker column cell. It has these cups, it has seals in the cups, O-rings that seal moisture, dirt. There's a high ridge on this cup, and this pushes down in there. There's a square on here so it doesn't rotate in there. When these are called a rocker column load cell, there's minimal touching. This is rounded in the cup, so there's minimal touching and friction, and they rock. That's the whole design of them. And we put the spiral cells in, and they bottom out. They're kind of rocking, but they're really not right. The seals didn't fit. And the other thing, you'll note that these cells come with a seal, and this cup comes with a seal. You'll never have two seals together, ever. It just doesn't work that way. It won't seal anything. So, the real cup we got does not have a seal. The cell fits in there and it rocks really nice. The anti-rotation is here on the cell, where in the other cup, the anti-rotation is on the cup and also in the square here for the cell not to spin. So this rocks. These are the right ones, and obviously these are the wrong ones, and they go to this other 30-ton rocker column cell they used since 90s, and I don't know up to what point they switched to the. This is the new cell they sell now. I do not have a cup assembly for this because they're new and we haven't anywhere out. But these cups will not even fit this cell, so we'll know that right away. But this obviously takes totally different cups. So we got 3 load cells by the same manufacturer with 3 different style cups.